Laundry service. Washing and ironing.
It is important to separate the white to the colored ones to avoid the mixing of color. Wash the clothes first with a clean water. Make sure to wash the white first to avoid the mixing of color with the color clothes. Wash the clothes with detergent powder accordingly. Same as what you did in washing the clothes separately. Wash the white first to avoid getting a stain from the colored cloth. It is now the time to rinse the clothes. And rinse twice to remove the soaps. After rinsing the clothes, make sure to remove the excess water in the clothes. Then add a sachet of downy. After hanging the clothes, wait for it to dry.
Ironing the clothes.
In ironing the clothes, make sure that you know how to control the iron's temperature depending on the fabric of your clothes. You should make sure that your iron is hot enough to remove the wrinkles in your clothes.